Good morning, everyone. Welcome back on Daily Crypto Plan. It's Tuesday. We saw that crypto, at least Bitcoin, is dropping a little bit more as expected from yesterday. If you want to help us out, please repost the tweet. I just posted it in the chat. Well, let's start as usual. Bitcoin daily chart, swing low, swing high. We are in the long reload zone, so we should think long. In the same time, we should wait for some market structure. We should wait for some 4-hour Ws, so for daily Ws maybe. You can see we'll Wyckoff check this level pretty soon. We close the gap. Actually, to completely close the gap, we need to close below 91,600. We have a candle body close from last night. We are below that level. We can consider the gap closed. I think so. So a lot of people are bearish here, are becoming bearish. Well, it's over. No, it's not. Yesterday, Sailor Moon bought a lot of Bitcoin. And if Sailor Moon bought a lot of Bitcoin, who's left to buy Bitcoin here? After he's buying something, the market will drop even lower. It's over. I don't consider it's over. I consider that it's part of that nice, clean retracement to clean everything up. 20 to 30%. We are almost to 30%, and we already see people becoming really bearish here. You can see even on the live stream, we have 35 people now watching the live stream, not 60, not 70. That's the harsh reality of the market. When is Black Friday on something else, everyone is there to buy cheap. When is Black Friday on crypto? Well, nobody wants to buy it. You remember the same people that said above 100k, never below 100k, now they're bearish instead of being bullish here. You remember a lot of big influencers told you that never below 100k. If you didn't manage to buy, it's the last chance. Well, look at the price. Exactly, kidneys for sale. Well, we don't sell our kidneys. We don't even put the entire net worth in crypto, but if you still have some room, you can think about adding. And I'm not referring here to Bitcoin. I'm not trying to buy Bitcoin at 90k here. I'm trying to buy Ethereum. I'm trying to buy some other shitcoins. You'll see in the live stream what I'm talking about. But if you are in a, I don't know, you like to add more Bitcoin and you don't have enough, well, it's not a bad area to think to add a little bit. But for a position trader on daily here, what we can do? Well, we can wait for W's now. We have location. We have some potential divergence on MACD histogram. Nothing on RSI, nothing on OBV. But with this location and a nice W, we can reverse. But give me that W. We can stay the entire week here below 90k or close below 100k, yes. To panic everyone, to say, well, it's over. Spread the rumor that it's over. And when you'll see Bitcoin here in the short reload zone, guess what? Everyone will say that, well, no, this time we'll go to the moon. Classic. Classic for people. Well, the other template is similar on daily. You can see long reload zone here. We can go a bit lower at 78.6. Yes, we can. We can even SFU this level. Well, depending on how weak Bitcoin will become, yeah, we can take this level. Retesting 69. But that will be a damn nice opportunity. That will be something to remember if we'll come back down here. If we'll come back down here in this previous all-time high, then indeed I'll go and buy some Bitcoin. We'll see. Look at it. From the top to the bottom, 29%, almost 30%. Look left and you'll see 30% everywhere. Look like this one. Nothing unusual for Bitcoin to do a 30% retracement. And actually nothing unusual to see people bearish like you saw them here. Remember last time when the Bitcoin dropped here? Oh, it's over. And then we pumped. And here everyone will say to the moon. People, I didn't sold Bitcoin here. I didn't sold shitcoins. I saw some nice dips on some shitcoins and I had a little bit more room and I add a little bit to drag my average down. On spot, I only added. On leverage, I hedge my portfolio here from 120. That protects my my capital if Bitcoin will drop even more. But in this area, I'm trying to close some of those hedges. Slowly, I'm closing them. Not entirely, but a little bit here, a little bit there. They did their job to protect my spot capital. Anyway, next one. Ethereum. Let's hide the ink a little bit. Well, we can go a bit lower, indeed. We can go a bit lower. But we are in the area, we are at 3,000. In the area where we should think to at least to hunt W's, to hunt long ideas. Let's see how much we have here. So from the top, I'll put the ink back. Anyway, 40%. After 40% retracement, how much more do you want for Ethereum to think long on Ethereum? I know a lot of people try to play long here, but after a 40%, you want more? Yeah, we can go a bit more. Almost to 50%. I'm not saying it's not possible, people. What I'm saying is getting closer to that support level. We are touching the close enough to 61.8. We should wait a little bit more for some W's. But if we see W's, we should play those damn W's. I'm patiently waiting for W's here. I don't want to catch falling knives, but I'm not thinking short here. So we dropped from almost 5,000 to 3,000, and I'm thinking short. We are getting closer. We are getting back at my level at $2,000 or close to that level. I'm not saying that will touch that level, but that's my average entry. So what I sold at 4,000, if I'll see close to 2,000, guess what? I'll buy it back. That's the game. Okay. Bitcoin, the other template. Okay, let's go for the next one. Ethereum versus Bitcoin here. Well, it's fighting. It's trying to make a double. It's trying to get out, but for the moment it's flat. But you can see the strength here. You can see the bullish divergence. You can see the W's on OBV. You can see MACD histogram. He's trying to start to outperform Bitcoin. He's trying to complete this W and push higher. Dominance. Well, look at it. Do you see something more attractive than this one? Look how nice it is. Where is my drawings here? I don't see them. Ah, there you go. We are completing this big one. Look at it. This is ugly, but this is a daily M, people. Look at the dominance. People are becoming bearish when you see Bitcoin dropping and dominance dropping also. I don't know. Honestly, I waited too long for this moment. For almost 5 years now. I'm not missing this moment because I'll become a panican and I'll get scared. No. I'll think about selling my shitcoins when this one will reach 40%. Then I'll start, well, it's 40%. Let's see what we can do. Until then, I'll add a little bit more and a little bit more. Okay, yes. Unfortunately, it's not about Bitcoin or crypto here. It's about the traditional market. You can see. Yeah, yes, it's forming a big M and it's going to retest these levels. What will happen? Well, I don't know. But as we suggested, what we said here, don't buy the top here. Don't. You see the market testing the uptrend channel, the top uptrend channel line, and you are trying to buy here, not a good idea. Here, if you put the short reloads on here, we had the shark, and we said, well, shark is always a good setup. Think short here. If not, at least don't buy it here. Well, now you are back in the long reload zone. The problem we have here is that now we have a clear, a real EM here. We accepted below this week low, and we have a clear EM. That means we'll go straight down? No, but we have a structure, an M structure in an ugly location. We should at least stay the fuck out. Let's wait for some W's on ES, because now we have a clear M. I'll put the line charges to see it. Look at it. This is an M. This is daily structure, people. Don't fuck around with it. Okay, now that's ES. Let's go on gold. Well, classic. We made a W. We pumped in the short reload zone here. I was hoping for a NAM breakdown and retest. Well, nothing like that. We just got in the short reload zone. We retested the initial breakdown here and back at 4,000. If we accept below 3,800, guess what? We'll form even a bigger M. Yeah. I know, all the influencers told you to buy gold here. All the people the public bought Bitcoin, gold here on the stores. Physical gold, yeah, physical gold, I get it, I like it. But not at this fucking price. I love gold, yeah, it's good, it will protect your wealth. But not at this price, people. That's the harsh reality. If you see people staying in line for buying gold at the stores, where usually it's almost empty. Sometimes from time to time someone will come and will buy a little bit. You think you are smart because you're buying with the public? Everyone is doing the same thing and is the right thing to do? I don't think so. Well, in the hype here, even some traders told me I'm stupid that I'm calling a potential top here. Well, I am, but I'm a stupid trader. Silver, I'm still in the trade, you can see. If will stop me out, has to take this low. I'll try again. I'm risk free and I'm not touching this trade. Total. People, we are losing steam here. We are testing 3 trillion now, not 4. Yeah, you know that here I said, well, we are testing 4 trillion. We should accept and close and go to the moon. Well, nah. Now we are testing 3 trillion. Wait for W's. If you're thinking reversal and you still believe in the crypto space and the crypto market in the 4-year cycle, 5-year cycle, whatever, wait for W's. They all come. Total 3 a bit stronger than total. You can see here we are above the October low. We are trying to hold long reload zone 61.8, but in the same time, people, we don't have W's. Show me some W's. Show me some fucking W's to see a reversal, to see a structure, to see something, to frame my window of risk. For the moment, we are back at 61.8, holding a bit better than total, but no W. That's my overview, people. We discussed yesterday, what template? Well, we discussed yesterday about the potential here of retesting this level, staying and closing this gap. Well, we have that now. Now it's even more clear for me that I should wait for 4-hour daily W's and try to hunt long ideas. Bitcoin, not quite. A lot of shitcoins, yeah, a lot of shitcoins are trying to make W's. Or if they don't have 4-hour W's, they'll form 4-hour W's in the next couple of days. Dominance is telling us that altcoins are starting to outperform. Look at it. Seeing Bitcoin dropping, seeing dominance dropping. That means something is holding really nice. Calendar, well, remember that the government was off for more than 1 month. And imagine that they all start to put some statistics out. And those will fuck around with the market. Now, all the statistics that they got postponed, they will be out in the market. And we don't have a calendar for that. They'll just push them in the market. Anything else? Calendar, we have Wednesday. Tomorrow we have FOMC minutes. That could move the market. That could be the reversal. I don't like Wednesday reversal, but FOMC, people, remember, it's dangerous to play. Stay the fuck out. Let's go on lower time frame. Well, on 4-hour chart, what do we have here? On Bitcoin, we have Monday high, Monday low. We are below the Monday low. A reclaim should give us a chance to push to the Monday high. Thinking range here, people. Don't panic. Don't think, well, it's over. Well, we'll go even lower. No, let's think about the Monday range. Someone pushed the market all the way up here. Someone pushed the market all the way down here. Okay? And now we are below that level. We kind of touched 89. We are below 90K. Sounds attractive for, I don't know, for some investors? I think it does. I think for Bitcoin sounds damn attractive. So some investors to say, well, Bitcoin is below 90K. Okay, let's buy some. Was 127 1 month ago. Okay, what we can do here? Well, wait for a reclaim or wait for some structure. This candle looks really nice. You can see rejection here. This means rejection. Let's see how this will close. Will be a hammer, will be something else. If you want to play to be aggressive on 4-hour chart, wait for a 3-bar fractal bottom at least. That could mean a 50-minute W. For the moment, I don't want to do anything. I want to see a reclaim back in the Monday low. If instead, zooming in on 1 hour, if instead we'll reject from here, well, then we know. We'll go to 88, probably a bit lower. Keyword here is W's. Yeah, lower time frame W's, depending what kind of trader you are. Daily W's. What 4-hour W? Remember, here I told you if you don't see a clear W, don't even think about it as a swing trader. Well, that kept you out of trouble here. No W, no trade. No W, no trade. I'm not talking about 5-minute chart. 5-minute chart, people, they could long, they could short, they are scalpers. But a swing trader protected a lot of capital because just didn't have structure to think long. I'm thinking Monday range, and I think we can at least retest this level here. If you look left, you'll see that is like a support level. Well, you see them everywhere. I'm framing setups with that, but aside, if you don't know what a W is, you have a lot to learn. Okay, Ethereum. Look at it. We are back in the Monday range. We SFU the low. Look at it. That's why I'm saying that Ethereum is stronger than Bitcoin. Look at it. Nice and clean. Nice and clean. Who managed to take this? Asia people. people that trade in the Asia session, they had a gift again. I was sleeping like a baby here. Look at it. SFU of the Monday low and pushing higher. And then retesting. And now probably will come back in the middle of the range. We'll have to fight the middle of the range a little bit. If everything is okay and Bitcoin will stay flat or will pump a little bit, this one could pump all the way up to the Monday high and even higher. People, dominance is going down. Ethereum is stronger than Bitcoin. We should consider that when we are trading, what setups we take and where we put our money. Okay, well, I don't see an opportunity here now at this moment. Let's put 1 hour. Let's just do that. Well, could be a head and shoulder, inverse head and shoulder pattern. Shoulder, head, shoulder. You can see ugly, but you get the pattern. Could this push us all the way up to the Monday high? Yeah, possible. But not the best setup. The best setup was here at the SFU. Well, let's take the next one. Let's scan a little bit the shitcoins. I'll go on 4 hour chart. And I'll stop when I'll see something interesting. Well, it's trying to form a 4 hour W. Wait for the W. If the W will come, take the trade because usually it's a good idea. No W, no trade, nice location. No W yet. Look here, we have a W. On 4, we have a fucking W. Look at it. Nice location, and we have a 4 hour W. Take it or leave it. That's up to you, people. That's up to you. Look at it. If you don't see it, that's a problem. Yeah. This neckline, right side, testing of the neckline. He's trying. Wait for a clear breakout and a retest. Yes, it's even better, but you can see it. This is a correct W bottom side. Yeah, you can see low, up, back down, kind of 61.8 or 50%. Idea is this low to be higher than this one. Neckline, breakout, retest. Well, we have the W. Now that you want to enter at the breakout or at the retest, is up to you. No W, no trade. We had kind of a ugly structure hit there and we are pumping. Don't chase. No. This one is too high. It's pumping like crazy. Strong. If you have spot bags, hold them. It's holding really nicely. Love to see it. And if you remember last week's, we said that we buy on spot. We bought CZ level. Even some of us bought this W here. You can see there are a lot of them that they don't have a 4 hour W yet. Look at Claw. Or how the fuck. We had a small W here. Breakout and retest. Now we are forming a bigger W in 4 hour chart. Look at it. At 88.6. Nice location. Nice W. Some of them are ready, some of them no, not yet. Well, this one, if you remember, at some point in time I told you, well, if we don't see anything else, let's wait for a W the other side of the trend line. Well, we are the other side of the trend line market. Kiss this trend line over and over again. Now we are getting farther away from it. Wait for a W and I think we have a setup here. Just wait for the fucking W. Okay? A W here on Eden. I don't know. You take it or you don't take it. It's up to you. You cannot take all the trades, people. You have to think about what you prefer, what you like. Why? You have total risk to take care of it. You cannot exceed 4 or 5% total risk in the same time. If you do it, and an event like 10 October will come again, you can destroy your entire portfolio. Okay. I'm hunting W's, that's for sure. I didn't have time to scan properly everything, but I'll do it today, and if I'll see clear setups, I'll post. I'm waiting like no tomorrow for those 4-hour W's on new coins. Well, look at it. We said don't chase. Now you understand. Another example. Why you should not chase. Everything is nice. We'll go to the moon. Well, let's buy. Well, actually, no. We need to retest this W. There you go. W retested. Now, either go on 1 hour and hunt a smaller W, either to wait for here for another W. Here we have a W below 88.6. Look at it. Actually, in the altcoins reload zone. Look at it. It's trying to close in 2 minutes. Will close a candle and will confirm the W. Take the retest. Well, it's up to you. So don't complain, people. Well, it's bad and we don't have setups. Well, we have setups. Always. If we are looking, we'll find something to trade. We'll find something that is looking nice. Well, no. Not too many W's formed yet, but they will. They will form. Nice location everywhere. Altcoins holding a lot better than Bitcoin. I think it's a good environment to think long and wait for 4-hour W's. Here's my 2 cents. No W. Too high. No. Look at Plasma. 4-hour W breakout and retest. You take that retest. Now we have that retest. Look at it. Look at Plasma, how nice it is. W, breakout and retest. And now we are retesting. We are at the fucking neckline. Look at it. Look how nice it is. Let's think a 3 to 1, not more than 3. There you go. A setup. Take it, leave it. Look at it. Bullish divergence here. You can ask us for more. This is clean as it gets. Let me post it on general chat. There you go. I'll take that one. I'll take this trade, people. 1% for me usually. 4-hour W's means 1% for me. But a lot of them, they still need a lot of things to do to complete the W. It's up to you, people. I don't want to do all the shitcoins or all the requests here because Stefan will do his live stream and I'm doing the overview. Stefan will go on lower time frame and will frame some setups if it's possible on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and maybe even some altcoins. You saw Stefan posting a message in the chat that he will start after, I don't know, 10 minutes after we finish this one. Yeah? Hit the like button if you like the content. Hit the dislike 2 times if you don't like the content. Share it with your friends if you consider that it's adding some value to you. The Discord is kind of closed. Yeah, you can still request access, but usually I don't accept. Yeah, we have more than enough members. If I'll see someone serious and consistent, and if I don't know what has to convince me to let more people in. Yeah. Couple one people are getting slowly, they are in the recap. They'll start the practical part soon. We are trading day in and day out. We are making money. Doesn't matter if the market is dropping or is pumping. Someone said that I'm a relaxed trader, or how? Well, I don't know if I'm relaxed, but definitely I respect my plan. And if I don't have too much risk, why I should worry about? I know that tomorrow we'll have setups. If we don't have a setup today, we'll have it tomorrow. Just respect the fucking plan and you'll live a nice life and you can make money in this market. It's not so hard. If you want to make it in one trade, then you have a problem. If you want to buy a Lambo in 1 week, then definitely you have a problem. But if you are like me and Stefan, day in, day out, let's trade. Let's find what setups we can trade today. No setup, no trade. Well, let's wait. Well, okay, we made some money today. Well, we lost some money. At the end of the week, important thing is to draw the line and see if you are profitable. If you are profitable, that means you did your job. And tomorrow it's a new day. That's a trader's life. If you want to do it properly. Day in, day out. Market is pumping, market is dropping. Doesn't matter for us. As long as we have volatility, we can find some setups. And if we have setups, we can make some money. A lot of people, they are panicking. Well, Bitcoin is below 100k. Well, it's my fault. It's something to do with me. No. Is Bitcoin dropping? Okay, let's find some setups. What I should think here. Technically, what I should think. Well, I should think long. Okay, we have setups. No, then we'll wait. Why? It's not complicated. It's not rocket science. Emotionally, it's hard to get in this at this level where you can just trade your setups. Yes, but it's doable. If you put the time and effort, you can do it. You see Stefan and VIP day in, day out. Well, let's wait for lower. Let's think this. Let's do that. And he's posting clear setups and people are making money. And he's making money. You see me in the live streams. Well, let's take this setup. Like I saw this one on Plasma. This doesn't get more clearer than that. Look at it. This is a fucking good setup. We cannot consider this long reload zone anymore because you can see we tested below. But we definitely have location. Look at it. Would this fail is 100% bulletproof? No. The market could drop and take my stop loss. But I have an advantage to take this fucking W here, I guess. Look at it. Bullish divergence here. This is a low. This is a lower low. Okay, it's old, but it's still a divergence. Look at it. Low, higher low. So the OBV is trying to tell us something here. I have a 4-hour W. If I'll get to 1-to-1, well, make it risk-free. The problem I have is the market is going up without me. And I didn't manage to buy yet. I'm blabbing away here instead of buying. Anyway, if I'll miss this one, well, next bus, I'll wait. In, I don't know, 10-20 minutes, Stefan will do the live stream. Join him, repost his link and get more people in. I know I cannot save all the crypto traders, it's impossible, but hopefully you didn't panic sell your shitcoins in this dump or the last dump. Hopefully you still know what part of the cycle we are. Hopefully when the market will bounce, we'll make more money. Yeah, I'm not a financial advisor, people. I'm just blabbing away on YouTube. I just tell you what I do with my own money. Okay? That being said, let's call it a live stream. See you in the next one. Bye bye.